This class, we are going to continue our DAX playbook from where we stop. So don't forget, in the first class, we introduce ourselves to what DAX is. We talk about different things. We talk about calculated column and calculated measure and how to use it. So last week we started with what aggregation functions, and we have a lot of functions under our aggregation functions. We have the sum there, we have the average there, we have the count there, we have the mean, we have the max. So in our last class, what we treated was sum function, and today's class we are going to under aggregate function, which is what average function. Same thing as what as mean, right? It's same thing as mean. So that's what we want to do today. Now, but how do you do aggregate average function note in Power BI? It's very simple. Don't forget, in our last class, I told us that what we are going whenever we want to use aggregation function, most times we use what we make use of what of measures rather than what columns. Don't forget, we can use calculated measures rather than what calculated column. So same thing is going to happen today also. But another thing we are not going to do in today's case, what we are going to look at what aggregate by what? By country. Aggregate sales by country. Yes. Aggregate sales by country. That's what we want to do in today's class. So how we go through that? It's it's what it doesn't take much time. So it's very simple. Let's go right to what to create our what measures. Now we're in our financial table bar, right? So we just click on these three dots. You see more options. You see new measures, new column, new click measures. So we want a new measures. So just say average. Now we want average. Now yeah, Power BI is working. So we'll just say no. I'll call it what average. Let me just say average sales. Yes. So it will now be what the function is what is average like this. Now it's asking for the column name. What's the column name? We want to what look for the average sales we've made, right? But it said by country. How do I check by country? Don't worry. First, we are going to create our measures first. We've created our measures now. You can see we have average sales here. Now, how do we check by country? So, if you want to check by country, you just have to come to this particular place, report view. So, we can use any of our table, either table or matrix, but matrix table is preferable. So, we just say what we check on our country, click on our country like this, and click on what. Okay, it's loading, it's loading, it's loading. It's loading. Let me bring this here. Let me come here and see what I want to resize it. Let me type size here. So just type size like this. Then you come to the global font size. Let me change to 25. So I just have to resize this like this. So I'm done with that. Then what I will say what I want my average sales. You see, average sales will come to value. This is now. So the average sales we made per country. This is the average sales we made per country. See, in Canada, this is what we made. In what do you call it? In France, this is the average sales. In Germany, this is the average sales. In Mexico, in United States, this is the average sales what we made per country. Hope this is clear. And look at it. Do you know what you have here? What you have here is what average of what of each of everything. You get me? You know it's average sales you check. So this is average of everything. That's what you're having here. Hope you understand. So if you sum everything you are having here and divide by 5, you are going to get what we are seeing here. Hope you are getting because what we check is what we actually check what our average sales. That's what to check. All these now this is how to what perform average functions in what in Power BI. So don't forget in statistics you also call it what mean also. Either you are looking for average, you are looking for mean. So this is how to find it what in Power BI. All this is clear. So in our next class, we are going to what another functions. Thanks for watching. We meet in our next class. Bye. Do have a nice day. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Thanks for watching.